I have a meeting with the president. It's a Zoom meeting. Today is a good day. My sunny side will shine.
What are we doing right here?
Whoever you are and whatever you are doing inside, you have just 1 minute to leave that bathroom.
Just shit, I beg.
I don't know what a full mammalian clan of a being will be there for. Is that your family bedroom?
Listen, you've been trying to get my attention. Abi, they tell you that this will take my attention to help you. Because normally I've been destiny helper.
Please.
Pray to God about me to touch my family.
I will not take any more insult from you.
Listen, Rufus, I would have arrested you. But what would I get? And if I arrest you and they'll tell me to bury you, I'll still give police money to feed you. Are you an idiot? Get out my face!
God.
Sorry, what did the enter bathroom go do? Got at their back. Come shit! You are actually coming close to me? Are you crazy?
Landlord!
You understand there's cholera in town?
Landlord!
Were you not told?
If the president had listened to me
Sorry,
when I told him to eradicate single mothers, who would you have been there?
Without women like me, you will not survive. We are feeding you.
It's okay.
Hey! Get out of this place! Get out! I'm talking to you. If not because of nonsense, did you not have to catch a flight now? You're delaying me. Leave my side now. What did they worry this one? You they crazy? Because I'm afraid they speak English. Who be this one? Come out from my face!
I've suffered. Rufus!
Idiots! Useless Rufus! If you finish, make you remain there. You and the bathroom and the toilet cuckoo resemble twin brothers. Idiots!
I will show you that my name is Rufus of Binago. For Jesus Christ, Abraham was. Let me see how you want to come and park your car. Nonsense! In this year. Now this compound belongs to everybody here.
You, Rufus. What do?
I'm not interested, young man.
Hey, hold on. Guess what?
Funky P.
I get all my inspiration from my sleep.
No wonder most of the times when you are singing, I feel like sleeping. No, come on, Funky P, let me tell you something. See, come. See, let me tell you one thing. What if I talk to the president, my friend, to give you a job in the secretariat when you can become responsible? You cannot be singing like this at your age.
Force, you gonna love my jam by force. Yo, man.
Let me hear one of your songs.
See, Monte Italawa. All the girls that shout, ooh,
they will shout at you like that. Ooh, look at what they say. They will shout at you like that. Man. Young man, I am not.
You're gonna love my jam by force.
Don't let me be your problem this afternoon.
Rufus.
Who's this one shouting? Who's this one shouting for?
I don't understand. I don't. Maybe I go call you back. I go call you back. I won't understand the rubbish when they happen for this compound. Did they happen for here again? 1 minute, one trouble. Who be this one again?
Oh, man.
Why is this woman always shouting? Every time you keep shouting and you're shouting.
I should feature her on my album. She shouts a lot to make a good anchor, you know what I'm saying? Hey, he called me Miss.
Is this your father's house?
Now me they follow talk.
Is this your father's compound?
What's your name again?
Is this your father's compound?
Anybody
my name is Rufus
Anybody when name you that Rufus? Still you know say you need a roof over your head.
Everybody is entitled to a parking space in this compound.
I can't be talking to the idiot. Where's the landlord of this compound?
Are you the owner of this compound?
Listen, you're too small to be my problem.
Everybody has a right to a parking space in this compound.
You even dress and call with the back.
Yes.
So you know who is this? Who is this idiot?
You don't mess with my steam.
Get out of my sight! Why am I discussing with this idiot?
This is my parking space.
Who are these mad people? Landlord!
Call the landlord!
I'm going to get crazy with all of you in this company. All of you are mad! What is this? Who is this idiot? Where is the Yahoo boy? Who are you? Hey, go get him!
Don't touch me.
You live here?
Landlord.
Don't bring that in here.
You live for you do what here?
You like that. You don't use to go.
Oh yeah, man. Who is this one? Hey,
Yes, Mercy. Mercy.
My goodness.
What is this?
Mercy, I cannot answer you.
Rufus in my trans Toyota Pigeon.
Toyota Benz.
So,
Now who are you? Sorry, whose uncle is this? Landlord! Are you coming out now or not?
You never dey shout when you talk about the holla,
Listen, nobody dey shout. Now me they talk to you.
What happened now?
Listen, today will be your last day of the
For this now, let me hold on. Come. Why you never dey shout? Oh yeah, calm down.
See your hand,
Calm down. Oh yeah, wait.
this place now where they park my car. Yes, and from today you go right now.
You never dey holla. Calm down. So when you go up now, be say, as the say na parking space be the problem for the full compound. So
Sorry, do you have a car?
Calm down now. Male. So every month, for 1 month you go park your own. Then the next month, Rufus go park.
You're very stupid landlord. Can useless judgment be that one? I look like person when no sabi person for here.
I just dey do like say.
leave them alone.
Don't touch me.
Leave them alone. This compound, everybody's entitled to have a sporting space.
I agree with you.
Yes.
I agree.
That's why I love you.
You love me. Rufus, you love me. No be say because I follow you like that for my dress, still say me and you like same category. I hear they support you. No retreat, no surrender.
Damn, this guy's got no composure. Zero steez. I'm out of here, man. I can't wait to blow, man.
All of you are leaving this compound. Prepare your things. Pack your things. Were you talking to me? Were you looking at me, Yahoo boy? Yes, since your couple they look for you. Rubbish.
Please, I dare you.